Javi. Welcome to the BC Boutiques channel. I'm going to be showing you how to set rhinestones with the GS Hypo cement. So come on over and I'll show you how to put it on this little spinner right here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make something just like this little spinner pendant here. And it has all the stones set in it. So this is purple and this is sapphire. Amethyst, sapphire. It's so beautiful in the gold, and we have plenty of these on the website, so you can set your own stones here. And you're going to need to use a 4mm stone in the center and 2mm stones on the side. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, how to complete the necklace there. I love the way this thing spins. It's adorable. Okay, I'm just going to leave it here off the side so you guys can still see it. And of course, we're going to be using the spinner in silver. Ooh, okay. And you need the Hypo, GS Hypo cement. This is what I'm using to set the stones. Looks like this out of the box. So this is what, and you can pretty much use this for anything, like setting the big stones like the 40 by 30 in metal on anything. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. And of course, I'm using the Pick Me Up tool from our website at bcboutiques.com. And I'm using the 4mm stone right here. And I have the 2mm stones right here. And this is the amethyst, of course. I like purple. That's my favorite color. Oops, if I didn't show you that on camera, I'm sorry. So this is the Pick Me Up, and these are the 4mm stones. No, the 2mm and 4mm. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to show you guys how to set this here. So, of course, you need to remove your Hypo 2 cement. And it says don't squish it, so I wouldn't squish it because this thing goes rapidly. So I'm going to bring this up close and see how it's gobbing already. Like there's a drop on there. So I'm going to have my technique, I'm just going to put it in each drop, each thingy, really quickly. Just like that. Just put enough to fill the cup, like not too much, just one loop around. One or two loops, one or two loops, one or two loops. And the big one, of course. This one's going to take a couple loops around. There we go. Now I'm going to set this to the table. And before you can close this, I would suggest wiping this off with little baggies you have around, or something plastic. Of course, it keeps oozing. So this is a little hard to get. You kind of have to go fast on this just to stop it from oozing. And that's still oozing. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so you pretty much have to do this fast as possible to close it. And just close it just like that. Okay, now we're going to set our stones. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit here, guys, for you. Okay, so that's just perfect. And I'm going to just put the stones with the Pick Me Up tool. And you can use this side to tamp it down, because it's not as perfect as you want it to be. And if you have a surface you can push this down on, this would be great. Like I need something else on here, but I'm just going to keep going. At the end, I'm going to show you how to make sure they're all leveled in there. I'm just going to tamp it down just for the moment. There we go. I'm trying to get the ones facing upwards. It's easier for me. I'm going to show you guys up a little bit up close if this is possible. What I'm doing here. Pretty much setting the stone and tamping it down. I know this is very hard to see, but I'm really trying my best. I'm going to show you at the end how I finish it off. Trying to get little stones in here. This is perfect. I love this pick-me-up tool. You guys got to get some. It's at bcboutiques.com. Same thing with the Hypo 2 cement. We have plenty of them on the website. I'm just tamping that down. Just a little bit. I'm going to fix them at the end. Make sure they're all straight in there. Like, you know, not crooked. Okay, we got 2 more left. Yep. Oh, you guys got to get this pick-me-up tool. This makes the job faster. Okay, so here we go. And then I'm going to put the big stone here. Oops. Oops, sorry, I'm off frame. I'm going to tamp it in there, just so. Okay, at the end, I check my stones. I'm going to turn sideways here. And you see, like, some of them might be misplaced or not, you know, not, this is kind of crooked, you see, in a way. It's kind of hard to hold this, but it's kind of crooked. If you're facing it like this way. Okay, I'm going to try to get this like this. Okay. So we're just going to tamp it down to get it. You can use this, or I think you could use this side here. I'm going to try this with the little ones. Ooh, I kind of like this. Oops, sorry, I'm off frame, guys. So I'm going to just make sure they're in there. And they're straight. They're not all... You might need to use this side a little bit. And we're going to use this like this. I'm just trying to see if this is, they're all in there. They're pretty much pretty good right now, but if they're like a little crooked, you know, like when you're looking at it straight on. I'm gonna try this side here. Sorry guys if I'm out of frame. You can always use a toothpick if you don't have a pick-me-up tool, you know, to flatten it. That's how I did it at first with this, a gold pendant over here. And that's pretty much how it is right there. And if you see any string residue, you can always take that off later because that comes off really easy. So that's pretty much all you have to do there, guys. And you just have to wait for like, oh, probably like a whole day or like a couple hours until this completely dries so the stones don't come out. And you can do the other side. Oops. I know some people can do both sides, but I probably can't. So that's pretty much all you have to do there. So I'm going to see if I can find any that are not, you know, not in place. I think they're pretty in place here. This one's a little, there we go. A little crooked to me. Okay. And that's pretty much it, guys. I just want to thank you for watching this wonderful video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like how this spins. You can get this spinner on the website as well. So, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.